we'll walk you through how to add links on YouTube. There are a few different ways to do this. To begin, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and head over to YouTube Studio. If you're looking to add a link to your channel homepage, go to the left menu and click on Customization. Scroll down to the Profile section and find Links here. You can press Add Link, give your link a title, then enter the URL or website you want to add. Once done, click Publish at the top right dot, then you can click View Channel and you'll see your link appear there. You can also place a link directly in your video description. For that, click on Settings in the bottom left of YouTube Studio. Then choose Channel on the left and go to Feature Eligibility. Make sure advanced features are enabled and that you meet the necessary requirements. This lets you use external links in descriptions now. Go back to the left menu and hit Content. Then find the video where you want to add your link in the description box. Make sure your link starts with HTTPS, then paste the rest of the URL. Click Save in the top right now. If you go check the video, you'll see the clickable link in the description.